Aloha, welcome to Noayao Soft Skills Shorts, a workshop series that highlights soft skills and how to practice them. This episode is about active listening. What is active listening? Active listening is the act of making a conscious effort to hear, understand, and retain information being communicated to you. Active listening uses visual or verbal cues such as nodding and eye contact to express to the speaker that you are focused on them and what they have to say. How can you develop or practice active listening? Number 1, pay attention. Your full attention should be on the person speaking. If possible, remove distractions to help you stay focused on the conversation or presentation at hand. For example, putting away or silencing phones will help you focus and minimize disturbances during your conversation. If you're in a very loud and distracting place, consider asking if you can move the conversation to a quieter place. Number 2, show that you are listening. Speakers can tell when you're paying attention and when you're not. Making eye contact, nodding, and saying small verbal comments like okay or I see when appropriate can let them know you're listening. Number 3, offer feedback. When it's the right time, you can offer insightful feedback that can help the speaker. Reflecting, asking follow-up questions, and offering your own perspective are some types of feedback that can be helpful. For example, I experienced something similar when X happened and this is what I did. Number 4, don't jump to conclusions. Jumping to conclusions can lead to misunderstandings and arguments. Asking to clarify certain points that were said can deepen everyone's understanding. For instance, if you want to clarify something, you can say, "Could you explain this part more? What did you mean by this? So I know you mentioned this. Does that mean? Sorry, I missed that. Could you explain this again?" Next, we have a scenario demonstrating how you can practice active listening.
Hey Anshana, thanks for meeting me here today so we can talk about our upcoming project.
Thank you. Thank you so much for setting this up. So I did see that you shared me a document. Is it okay if we talk more about the ideas you mentioned?
Sure.
So
So I know Professor kind of wanted us to do something a bit more impactful, so I was thinking doing something about like endangered native Hawaiian species.
oh, that sounds awesome. Is that like plastic pollution and global warming?
Kinda, but a little bit more geared towards like reducing our carbon footprint so it can help out the environment.
Oh, that sounds awesome. So I do like how it relates to our community and not just people in our classroom. So yeah, I'm definitely good with that idea.
Great, let's get started.
Awesome. Thank you for watching. If you're completing this as a part of the Soft Skills Certificate or want to test your knowledge, please complete the quiz on our website. All sources used for research are cited in the description below. You can check out another video here or contact us in these ways if you have any questions. Aloha!